Okay, on the infinite geometric series, we're looking at the infinite series using sigma notation. So a question, and we're asked to find, and we're given sigma to infinity, and the a1 value is going to be calculated when k is 1. The formula 18 multiplied by 4/5 to the power of k minus 1. So the first thing we need to do is find a1. So the a1 value, we need to replace k with 1. So this is going to be 1 minus 1. So a1. So 18 times 4/5. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So we know anything to the power of 0 is 1. So 18 multiplied by 1 will just be 18. So a1 is 18. The ratio, so to find the ratio, this is the base value. So the ratio will be this here. So this is going to be 4/5. So we're going to use our formula. So S is equal to A1 minus 1 minus R. And we're going to substitute in the values. So A1 is 18. And it's 1 minus 4/5. So 1 minus 4/5 is just 1/5. So divide by 1/5 is the same as multiplying by 5. So S will be 90. Okay, so the guided practice question. Find, and we're given the sigma notation. And the first value, k, will be 1. And this is to infinity. And the formula 12 multiplied by 3/4 to the power of k minus 1. So the first thing we need to do is find the first value. So to find a1, we're going to replace k with a value in our formula. So 3/4, k is 1 minus 1. So 3/4, 1 minus 1 is 0. So we said that anything to the power 0 is 1. So a1 is 12. So now we're going to find the ratio. So the ratio is the base value. So if we look at here, this is the base value. So the ratio will be 3/4. We're going to put this into our formula. So a1 divided by 1 minus r. And the first value, a1, is 12. And the ratio 1 minus 3/4. So it's 12 divided by 1/4. And if we divide by 1/4, it's the same as multiplying by 4. So the sum will be 48.